Remember there were broken studs in there? We got all the studs out without messing anything up. All the studs out, not including us.
You ready? Okay.
Your husband, see, I always complains. I brought you a nice dog dish, which I don't need. So what does he do? He yells at me. What are you bringing all this stuff?
Bring me more stuff.
Don't bring more stuff.
Oh, this is brake clean. Got to keep this away from Dennis because he thinks this is like water.
Okay.
I think I saw movement. Heat gun. We found. Use the heat gun, and it melts the wax, and you can see it melting it, and then you can wipe it right off.
There, that's the culprit.
I did.
This week's episode is only 7 minutes long because Dennis unplugged the camera.